Welcome to the Noob 2 YouTube channel for day 261. This was the 18th of May, 2023, a Thursday. So, did exercise a little bit, a tiny bit. Then I had the man come out to fix the solar, and another man come out to do something else. What did he fix? I'm having a brain cramp right now. He came out to fix the alarm system. So I had the alarm system people out yesterday, and on this day, day 261, and I had the solar people out to do something with the solar system that had malfunctioned, and they fixed it. And it was my daughter's birthday, so I spent most of the day, occupied with that. And we went out to dinner, and I went to the store, and I worked on books and did work on Remote Wellness Academy and IM Academy. So my gratitude is for all the people who work at the restaurants. Waiter and the restaurant staff are really good. So just a lot of gratitude for that. And that's basically it for day 261. So let me know if you have any comments or questions. I will talk to you soon. Thank you.